Let's start making the scenery. You will make a slight sleeping line in the middle. I hope it's visible. Yeah. See, first we are going to make everything really light. Okay. Once we are sure that okay, these elements are going to stay visible in the picture, then we will make it darker. Okay. Over here we will make a big stone going like this and then going like this. Over we are making a river over here. This is the another stone. Okay. There will be a bridge going on here to just go from here and there, this half circle. Then we will make a border. When you are making a border, make it really light. Once you are sure that okay, this is what you want, then you can make it dark. And now almost done. Okay, I should make it slightly thicker here. Okay, once you are done with this, over here you are going to make a half circle. Okay, you can see it's very much uneven, so I will erase it. Okay, now what we will do is we will make a marking this point and then this point. Getting it? Now the motto will be to match it. Yeah, here we go. That's how you will fix it. Okay, once you are done with this, you will again, I will just make one proper line. Yes, and then whatever is the rough, I'll just erase it. Okay, once we are done with this, all right, now we will again make the border for this part. Okay, we'll finalize little later. Now once we are done with this, we made this line, right? That is actually a water line. We'll erase whatever is falling inside this. We don't need them now. That was just for the reference. That's how it will be. Now, once we are done with this, over here we are going to make a circle for the sun. So you will take a circular object. I will erase whatever is extra. Over here we will show some trees. Okay, now we will start making it a little bit realistic. I will tell you how. Let's just finalize the borders first. So this one is final. So I am just making everything dark, whatever is final. I'll make this also dark. This dark. This dark. Okay. Once I'm done, I'll just take the eraser. And I'll make this dark also. Okay, now once we are done with this, we are done with the bridge, we are done with the stone. Over here, we will make some grasses. So press and leave. This is called hatching. Okay. If you want to know about this, what exactly we do is we are just, I'll just show you. We are just pressing, take it in there. Press it, take it in there. Press it, take it in there. Getting it? So if you practice this well, you will be able to make the grasses really well. Okay, some here and there. Some light, some dark. You will go slow if you are just starting with the hatching. If you are doing hatching since really long, then you can go fast, no problem. Once you are done with this, you will take the pencil, hold it like this. You will just add some shadow. Go from dark and then go light. Just disappear like this. Okay, once you are done with this, then you will be doing a very sharp shadow. Sharp, dark shadow like this. Isn't it looking realistic? You can also do some shading here a little bit. Okay, if you want, you can make some dark grasses now by applying a little bit of pressure like this. Okay, now I'll just tilt it a little bit. I'll just add some shadow. So it will look little bit deeper. I am just adding a light layer for now with very light hand. Once I am done, I will just take some darker one to show some uneven surface. Go from dark and then go lighter like this. Alright. Once we are done with this, we are going to show some stones here. Make it a little uneven. There will be some more stones here. For the stone also you will go from dark to light. Like this. You will go ahead dark to light. Okay. Once you are done, again you will be making a lot of grasses over here. Right, left, up, down, big, small. Like this. Now you will go from dark to light again, just to add some depth. Go from dark to light, dark to light. You will go like this. I'll make this a little darker. Very small as this is a little far away. Slowly and steadily add dark to light again. We go dark to light. Go dark here. Now over here we will make some long grasses. Not all over it. Just some patches. Alright. Now I'll just make this slightly darker here. Slightly darker here. Once we are done with this, we'll just go like zigzag for the tree. Start from the thin and end up with thick. You can do more layer. You will just go zigzag, zigzag, slowly and steadily. Okay, it's looking nice. You can add some small birds. Okay. Now around this, go from, we'll rotate dark to light. Go dark to light. We'll go dark to light. We'll go dark to light. We'll just keep on rotating and do it very slowly and steadily. No need to add a lot of darkness over there. Once you are done with this, all right, now once we are done with this, we will also do shading over here. We'll go from dark to light like this. Over here, you will just go like water waves. Not waves, but water is very still here. You will leave some space in the middle. It's the highlight. I will just add some dark lines here. Go from dark to light again. Okay. I'll make this darker as this got really light. Now it's time to just to make everything dark if it is light. All right, and here we go. I hope you liked it. You can always remove. You can remove something if you don't like it, like these trees. If you want to remove, you can remove and add something else. You can also make this and you can paint. It will look very beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.